So welcome back to another QVscribe training video. In this video, we'll be covering configurations. Without further delay, let's jump into it. In order to select the configuration your organization has created, or if you have already created several different types of configurations, this is where you would find those configurations. A pull down will appear with appropriate choices. To access the configuration window, press the tool icon next to the Save button. The QVscribe configuration window contains four main tabs: problem types, unit consistency, exclusion prefixes, and templates. The problem type tab consists of a list of problem types, each representing a class of words or phrases corresponding to each key quality indicator used in the analysis and scoring of requirements. Within each problem type, you will see an area to toggle the problem type on or off. This will effectively exclude a specific problem type from the analysis and any scoring. Below the problem type title is where you will find a brief synopsis of the problem type along with some recommendations. Below that, you will find two boxes. The box on the left are the words actively being analyzed, and the box on the right are the default word list for that problem type. You may add, edit, or remove the words from the active word box as you see fit. To add a new word to the list, click the Add button, enter the word or phrase that you may want to add, and then click OK. Editing the word or phrase is very simple as well. To edit an existing word, click on the word that you want to edit on the list and then click Edit. Edit the word or phrase as needed and then click OK. If you'd like to remove some of those words or phrases, click on the word that you want to remove from the list and then click the Remove button. Once all changes are completed, click OK on the QVscribe configuration window and save the changes or cancel to discard all changes. With regards to unit consistency, measurement units are key to the specification of qualities in requirements. QVscribe scans through all marked requirements and detects any units within them based on the user configurable list accessible in the configuration window. This list maintains the unit name, unit type, and common abbreviations. Each unit can be enabled or disabled, edited or removed. You can also add and edit units in this list by pressing Add or Edit and entering the new details for the unit. Selecting whether the unit is part of the International Systems of Units simply allows for the filtering of units present in a document based on these standards or not. With regards to exclusion prefixes, in requirement documents, there are often paragraphs relating to the main requirement specification that are met as comments, rationales, or explanations meant to provide the context to the related requirement, but generally do not follow proper requirement best practices. To address this, the exclusion prefix tab helps by defining in QVscribe what terms is or are used to define these context paragraphs so that they're not included in the analysis of the actual requirement, and thus do not skew the requirement score. And lastly, we have templates. This simply toggles the ears template on or off. And that concludes this video. Join me in the next one where we will be going over ears, the easy approach to requirement syntax.